guys? It's your girl Daisy. Welcome my flowers, squad. And if you're just not coming to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. I would love for you to be part of the family. Today I have some dominoes. I went and got some, let's see, so you can get a good look. I went and got some garlic bites. Yummy. Yum, yum. I got 2 of those. Actually, these are more garlic bites because they was just so delicious looking and yummy. Got those, baby. And I got well done cut in squares, pepperoni and olives. Yes. And also, I got another pizza cut in squares, pineapple, half pineapple, and cheese. Yummy. And let's see. I also have ranch and marinara sauce, some more ranch. And for my drink, I have water. So let me say my grace. Let's see. I'll turn it off in a minute. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for this food that I'm about to receive in the nourishment of my body's sake. Amen. Amen. Thank you, Lord. So how you guys doing today? Turn the paper off like this. Actually, it's easy with this box. Just tear it off. Oh, yeah. Make it work. That. Yeah, so today was like a okay day. It was straight. And I'm just trying to tear this off right here, you guys. Today was awesome. It was, very cold outside today. Really didn't want to leave the house. But I did. I ain't never thinking it could get so cold where I'm at. That's good right there. It's so good. I always like to try something different on my pizza, like with the black olives, pepperoni. I haven't did bacon in a while. So good. And these garlic bites or whatever are bomb. Like, they're so good. If you have any questions or any feedback, please comment below. If you have anything that you want me to do or any videos, please let me know. And I definitely will get back to you. And like, let's do pepperoni and olives versus half cheese and half pineapple. Which one do you like? Cheese. It's like, I love ranch on my pizza. So good. When I was little though, I used to eat ranch on my pizza and fries. And to this day, I still do. I got me some pickles, I forgot. Love my pickles. And I like the hamburger dill pickles. I can't eat the other ones, the buttery butter ones. It tastes like butter, like too much. I don't like the taste. I don't think my pickles should taste like butter. But I also wanted to say, don't never let anybody tell you that you can't do something. Don't never let nobody tell you that you can't do it. Don't listen to family. Oh, the ones that say they're your friends as well, don't listen to them about, oh, you shouldn't do that, you should do that. They're going to always shoot you down. When you got an idea that you want to be successful and you got goals to meet, they're going to always, it's going to be always one to be negative. Shoot for your goals. You only got one life to live. And do it. Don't never let nobody in this world tell you can't do it. I was talking to somebody the other day, and it was saying how people just giving them negative feedback about they was trying to do something in life. You know, they was on a mission to accomplish this goal. And I told her, you better do what you gotta do. It's your life. That marinara sauce is pretty good too. Got some water. This piece of good, y'all. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Dip. Hold on. Dip, baby, dip. Dip, baby, dip in my mouth. Oh, that was good right there. It's awesome. Well, I'm gonna talk in a minute, y'all. You know, I'll take a break. This is so good. Domino's always be having them specials too. But what I was gonna say was, if you're just not coming to my page, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can become part of the family. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And also at the bottom, my nieces, their link will be at the bottom for you to go and click on their page and check them out. They're just not starting out. It's called the Golden Sisters. And I know you guys will love their channel. Oh yeah. I'm just happy. I don't let nothing get me down. Nothing. I don't deal with all that stress and that drama. I'm trying to tell you. Oh yeah. Water today, boo-boo. Water today. I think I can go for another one. Which one? Which one do I want? I think I'll take this one. This one, hey, is looking at me like, eat me. Eat me. Ooh. Oh yeah, I like this head wrap. I love it because they have the kisses on there or whatever. So cute. I like it. And you don't gotta like it, but I like it. So I didn't like it, I wouldn't wear it. You know what I'm saying? This is so good. That marinara sauce makes me want to, sing. Ooh. Y'all, I'm having a moment. Little pickle. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. A little burp. Pepperoni light. Oh man, they be stingy with the ranch. Everybody want to be stingy with their sauce. You know, people need more than one sauce. I have me stingy. Ain't no napkin. Their crust is good. It's like a buttery garlic sauce. Buttery sauce on the edges. Yeah, I have no complaints with Domino's. Their wings is good too. But I'll say next time. One tonight. And here's just now coming to my page or my channel. You know to do, hit the notification bell. I would love for you to be a part of the family. A beautiful flower. So I know you guys have plans for Super Bowl with some of y'all. Because some of y'all mad that y'all team is not going to the Super Bowl. But yeah. That still don't, you know, you still can participate with the Super Bowl, tailgating and stuff like that. So. Don't be a party pooper. So good. Yes. Oh yeah. Hold on. Oh. Excuse me. So I think I'm gonna try cheese and pineapple for my pineapple lovers. Yummy. Oh, that's good right there. It's sweet. I ain't ate all day. I don't play with my food. That's why I ain't ate all day. Excuse me. And you guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the support that you're giving me. And I'm going to continue to give you great content. And if you are just coming to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe below. Hit the notification bell. And I love you guys.